All right, one, I'm going to take 1,700. Anyway, you don't in how long? Long time.
Yeah, I've been a long time.
Brought in, showing a little bit of wear.
Yeah.
Had no receive.
Nothing on it at
Too
all.
many tech monkeys that had their hands in there.
Yeah.
Go ahead and look at your radio now.
So I can look at it? Is this it here, right?
That's your radio. Are you killing me?
Oh, wow. Excuse me there.
That's all right.
Ooh, wee. RCI 2990
Turn that fell on.
DX.
Now the bottom's not on because we just, you got here a little early. I didn't expect you a little later. Go fire it up. She's all plugged in.
I'm going to get how to turn. Okay, there it is.
Make sure you got we're all hooked up. You can understand everybody, Leroy. Don't look around. Check all your buttons.
Man, I ain't going through all that, y'all. This here. Look at this here, guy.
Look, meters all work.
Yeah.
Echo's been repaired. Talk back here. Right here. Let's verify some lineage. This was Doc Nelson.
Right.
Okay. Now, the kind of board this unit had in it, this is your actual original board. Okay. The main, hey, there's the screws we're looking for. Excuse me, Leroy.
All right.
Now, that was your original board. Now, I know you just got your glasses, and it's hard to show on camera, but just at a glance, look how bad all the soldering is on it.
Okay.
It was welding on this bad fella. Putting components on the wrong side of the board.
Well, oh, that's fine. That's fine.
Bye. I gotta send that back for a rebuild. So there you are. Now, everything works just the way it used to.
So you want to put another face on it?
Same face.
So you RCI 29.
Nope, it's the same face. Face been off one time. That was a change of inside. Same face.
That's all right, man. I can hear.
Oh, here, let's try this. What you gonna do with that, Leroy?
I'm gonna have some fun with it.
Let's go to the watt meter. We got 100 watts slow.
Hey y'all, phone 9 did this. Okay? Yeah, your phone 9, so if you hear any noise, it's me.
We're on 100 watts slug.
Uh-huh.
We're gonna shut the peak off for a minute.
Alright.
Your variable carrier did not work at all on the last board. There's a nice respectable 10 watt carrier all the way down. Take it up to 20, just like it was from factory recommended. Now let's go to peak. We're on a 100 watt scale.
Okay.
Oh Lord Jesus, 100 barely can. No, we can't do it. We gotta go.
What that thing you got there, man?
That's the D104, baby. That's your radio. It ain't the microphone. And I got things turned down. 175 easy. PEP. Now I changed the color of this one because you remember Doc had the talkback put in on the RF gain. If you didn't, that's what he did. So when you turn this on, you now have a talkback audio check. And you notice I got it set where it ain't squealing too bad and we can turn it up. Check, check, check. Watch this. Watch this. What? No. You got him out their skull with this one, Leroy.
Honey.
That's all right there, man.
But the receive was the biggest problem.
Exactly.
You can use that thing just like you just took it out of the box. As a matter of fact, I can honestly say now, nobody's been in this radio but me. Because I rebuilt the entire thing. New meter, digitizer. The amp blew on me. I told you that. We found our amp in it. Main board. This is power supply. You know, this bad fellow is really light now. We got rid of it. I'm going to show you all that in here in a minute.
Honey,
That make you happy?
That makes me, I'm good, man.
All right.
I'm gonna
7-3, be blessed, y'all.
7-3, 3s and 7s on y'all. Take a liking.